Well, my aunt, Donna, was a music teacher for 35 years. And I used to love to go visit her and actually sometimes go to her class. And it was a lot of fun. But I've always known I wanted to be a teacher since I was, how old? Since I was 4 years old. Here's a picture of me reading to my dolls. So I've always known since I was a very young child that I wanted to be a teacher. Well, I think one of the biggest challenges is the workload and the stress. But the way that I cope with that, or the way I make it where it's handle that stress, is I do yoga every day. I exercise, I do yoga, or go to the gym, and I eat healthy food. So that way I can be the best teacher, because I take care of myself first, and then I can take care of you guys. This job, I tell these kids every day, what do I tell you? It's the best job in the world.
And you are the luckiest teacher.
And I feel like I'm the luckiest teacher. It's just so rewarding, and I don't see any other job being as fun or as exciting or as rewarding as this job. I do a lot of small group intervention, just recognizing where they're struggling and working with them one-on-one as much as possible. Pairing them up with other students is also a great way to reach those struggling students. I think, of course, having compassion, being nurturing, having a positive learning environment, it's probably, I believe, is the most important, and giving the child a sense of feeling safe and belonging in the classroom, having a sense of belonging. You guys all feel like you belong in here?
Yeah.
Do you feel safe?
Yeah.
Yes.